Nick here from Merlot Nuggets Adventures. Just want to show you a quick little hack that we learnt from someone that we'd actually met at Coen, the free camp up on our way to Cape York last year. And it's a little bit of angle we've put down here on our fridge slides. If you can see, we can open and close. So a little bit of 12 by 12 mil angle, and it's already powder coated white. And as you can see, I've just put a screw and a little pop rivet in there, and then the same with this one here. So then if you have a look, it's just a quick basic little help you along there. Thanks for this short video. Cheers.